Find the roots of the equation 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. So question number 3, part number 2, exercise 4.3. 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. Yet chase roots called the equations. कोई रूट्स काढो यात एक कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन बनाने को 1 से दमो या जरा x minus 7 ये बन x minus 7 दूत इस 1 से x minus 7 जरा वो दमो इस minus 1 से जरा ये minus पाँच 1 को minus 1 से like x जरा ये बन minus x minus plus go minus 1 into 4 goes minus 4 divide by बन मन दोन ते लाइक पान में जरा वो x plus 4 आद गई multiplication x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. जो this multiplication याद गो x to positive x to negative ये गो cancel ये term actually is minus 7 minus 4 that is minus 11 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. Go you got minus 7 minus 4, you go minus 11, but you bring multiplication x plus 4, x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30. 11 mj, you guys cancel mj. And because agar cross multiplication karo, there was 11 mj divide go 11 guys cancel. I think go 11 karo is cancel, yatnas karo cancel. I threw this minus 1 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 1 divided by 30. By cross multiplication, yet the more go 1 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. So when x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to minus 1 into 30. So when minus 30. You call on this x plus 4, x minus 7 go x into x square. X into minus 7 go minus 7x but plus 4 side multiplication plus 4 into x go 4x plus 4x positive negative go negative 4 7s are go 20 it goes by minus 28 is equal to minus 30 ये बने x square term चाहिए आते मगर degree 1 चाहिए दोनों से तीन एक इसके कोएफिशिएंट minus 7 बी के इसके कोएफिशिएंट plus 4 go minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3x minus 28 30 on your even plus 30 is equal to 0. There was a quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. It was a quadratic equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You see quadratic equation बनाई या जैसे इस method 20 का ऐसा कोई में रूट्स करें ऐसे वही निकलने चाहिए 3 method करान ऐसा को factorization method ते अप्लाई करें ऐसा को completing square method ते अप्लाई करें ऐसा को यम जायन quadratic formula ते अप्लाई करें को इस करान quadratic formula विकनेस इसको हम compare ये ax square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 compare is ax square plus bx plus c से till is each jai yatnas 1 b jai minus 3 c jai is 2 go here a is equal to 1 here a is equal to 1 b jai is b which one b go x quotient which is minus 3 b is equal to minus 3 c is equal to 2 बना इस कोड एस ए बी सी पाँच इसका नाम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट डी गो डी नेर बराबर डी फार्मूला तो पाते हैं इस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 ए सी आसान गो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट आसान बराबर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 ए सी गो डी नेर बराबर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बी स्क्वायर गोस माइनस 3 स्क्वायर minus 4 into करोस a goes 1 into c goes 2 discriminant near बराबर negative positive 3 3 are go 9 minus 4 1 are 4 2 are go 8 d द्रा बराबर 1 9 minus 8 is 1 is greater than 0 roots are real and unequal roots are possible that is 1 is greater than 0 it is greater than 0 आइस या equal to 0 आइस तेल छे real roots apply गसान तेल छे हेकान real roots करित तेल छे coordinate formula हेकान apply करित solution d when d is less than 0 then no real roots go यम खतर छु coordinate formula हेकान अस apply करित go by using quadratic formula quadratic formula तो पता x बराबर आसान minus b plus minus under root of d divided by 2 ये गई quadratic formula x नीर बराबर minus b बदल दुमो पॉइंट के minus पता b बदल वैल्यू b तो ऑलरेडी कोन b है minus 3 यवन गो b is equal to minus 3 गो minus into minus 3 plus minus under roots में d की वैल्यू लखुन d है 1 बराबर नेरा divided by 2 a बदल है ऑलरेडी 1 यवन गो x नीर बराबर नेगेटिव नेगेटिव गो 5 गो 3 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 1 of square root 1 बना के 1 1 is go 1 divided by 2 go till need is x is value therefore x is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 2 x near बराबर 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 2 or x near बराबर 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2 go till draw x बराबर is 4 divided by 2 is 2 or x near बराबर 2 divided by 2 which is 1 only roots of the equation go I see equation there equation is there is 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 7 is 11 by 30 you should question number 3 part number second is exercise 4.3 go to kuru yatnos 1 x minus 7 is zara when x minus 7 but minus 1 says x plus 4 so by minus 1 into x goes minus x minus plus go minus 1 into 4 goes 4 divided by when man don't hold multiplication x plus 4 x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30 x draw positive x negative go x minus x equal get khatam term go minus 7 minus 4 that is minus 11 divided by x plus 4 x minus 7 is equal to 11 divided by 30 minus 11 ये 11 तो ये 11 गई cancel ये cancel गई ये जाए with minus 1 ये जाए with plus 1 go I with minus 1 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 ये with 1 divided by 11 1 is 11 which minus 11 into 1 तो which 11 go cancel ये with 1 divided by minus 1 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 ये with 1 divided by 30 by cross multiplication of 1 side मोया ज़रब 1 into x plus 4 by x plus 4 into goes x minus 7 is equal to minus 1 into 30 that is minus 30 ये खोल ऐसे मुझे ये product करूँगा x into x go x square x into minus 7 go minus 7x 4 into x goes 4x plus minus go minus 4 7 are 28 is equal to minus 30 go x square minus 7 plus 4 variable to दोनों side x दोनों side go minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 because you sign this open change is equal to 0 go x square minus 3x 30 minus 28 is 2 which is equal to 0 you bring a coordinate equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 you जाए कोई कांति मेथड अप्लाई करें चाहे तो फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड अप्लाई करूँ कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड अप्लाई करूँ या क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला अप्लाई करूँ मैं इसका क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला अप्लाई ऐसे करी कंपेयर गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 use that change का जनरल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को e बदलो चेस 1 का e चिम जाए 1 into x square go 1 x square go a बदलो चेस 1 b बदलो चेस k minus 3 c बदलो चेस 2 5 इसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट d b square minus 4ac d ने बराबर b किस वैल्यू को स्क्वायर b is minus 3 आज को स्क्वायर minus 4 into 1 e into c goes 2 go d ने बराबर minus minus go plus 9 minus 8 d ने बराबर 9 minus 8 is 1 is greater than 0 when d is greater than 0 roots are real and unequal by using quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus minus under root of d divided by 2a x is equal to minus b is minus 3 plus minus under root of d is 1 divided by 2 into a is 1 x is equal to minus plus 3 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2 x is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2 you go off value x is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 2 you go off value x need 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 2 x is equal to 2 x need बराबर 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2 x is equal to 1